Is art a talent you're born with, or is it a system you can master? For over a decade, I have watched parents walk into my studio with a common worry. My child loves to draw, but they just don't have the natural gift for realism. At Reena's Art Corner, we have proven that the gift is actually a series of logical steps. We have turned the mastery of fine art into a technical laboratory. Today, I want to take you behind the canvas to show you exactly what we do here, what I've learned over 13 years of mentorship, and why we have chosen this moment to finally bring our vision to the world in a long-form way. My journey began 13 years ago in Ashburn, Virginia. I didn't just want to open an art class. I wanted to build a sanctuary for focus. Over these years, I have mentored hundreds of students, and through that experience, I realized something profound. Art isn't just about hands. It's about the eyes. I have spent thousands of hours refining a curriculum that respects a child's intelligence. We don't do crafts or busy work. We do professional level fine art. I have seen students who started with simple stick figures go on to build university-ready portfolios, mastering complex light physics and anatomical mapping before they even hit high school. This brings me to the core of what Reena's Art Corner is actually about. We call it engineered realism. Most children and even many adults fall into what I call the symbol trap. Your brain tries to take shortcuts. It draws what it thinks an eye looks like, a football shape, rather than observing the actual curves, shadows, and reflections. In our academy, we teach the engineer's edge. We treat the canvas like a blueprint. We break down a masterpiece into visual logic. We learn anatomical mapping. We study the physics of light. We master atmospheric perspective. When a child understands the logic of why a shadow falls in a certain way or how light bends in a water drop, the fear of blank canvas disappears. They aren't guessing anymore. They're engineering a result. This builds a type of creative gift and confidence that carries over the science, math, and every academic challenge they face. You might be wondering, Reena, we see your daily tips and quick lessons, but why did you choose this about me topic for your very first long-form YouTube video? The answer is simple. Foundation. For our global online academy to truly help your child, you need to understand the why behind the how. We wanted this first long video to serve as a manifesto. Before we dive into the deep space galaxies and the 3D bubbles, I wanted to invite you into our world and show you that there is a proven, validated system behind every lesson we post. We aren't just here to teach your kids to paint. We are here to change how they see the world. Many of you have found us through our daily reels. Every single day we post short, high-impact lessons designed to give your kids a 5-minute win. These reels are our way of keeping the creative fire burning every day. They provide quick professional tips that your child can apply immediately to their work. But here on YouTube, we are going to go much deeper. We are going to show you the full sequences, the long-form logic, and the high-definition brushwork that makes our art scientist community so unique. My vision for Reena's Art Corner is to build a global community of young thinkers who realize that mastery is within their reach. Whether you join us in our Ashburn studio or through our global online academy, my promise is a mentorship that respects your ambition and fuels your potential. We have a massive library of courses coming up. Everything from mastering the galaxy secret to engineering the 3D magic bubble. So, if you're ready to give your child the engineer's edge in art, subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell. Let's stop the I can't draw cycle and start building masterpieces together. Welcome to the family. Welcome to Reena's Art Corner.